Once again, this is Antonio. I'm coming at you with another exciting video. First of all, I would like to start off by saying that this is not financial advice. The purpose of this video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Also, for those that don't know me or don't know anything about this channel, on this channel we speak about stock, cryptocurrency, personal, and business credit. So without out the way, we asking that you subscribe to this channel. So in this video, we're going to talk about Jade Protocol. And we're going to discuss, do you feel that Jade Protocol is a rug pull or is it legit? So for those that don't know anything about Jade Protocol, let's scroll down and you can see the upward trends. Even though it dipped, it's still green. There's no red there. All right, Jade Protocol is a decentralized reserve currency platform on Binance Smart Chain. Unlike DAO or USDC, which are pegged to the value of the dollar, JAG's reserves are crypto assets held by the Jade Protocol Treasury. Jade is a free-floating currency backed by our treasury supply of the stablecoin BUSD. Jade tokens can't be minted or burned by anyone except the protocol. The protocol only does it so in reason to price. Each Jade is backed by at least one BUSD. If Jade ever trades below 1 BUSD, the protocol buys back and burns Jade, pushing the price back up to 1 BUSD. There's no upper limit imposed by the protocol to the potential trading price of Jade. So now that we got that out the way, let's come over here to the actual platform so you can see this is the platform, and this is why everybody's going crazy about Jade. When you look right here, the APY of Jade started actually a much higher, but the more people that's getting into Jade is driving the price down. But the APY is 529 million%. The market cap is 293,376,906, and the treasury balance is 91,838,538. Now, if you want to buy Jade, it's a number of steps that you have to do, and then you can purchase Jade, and you can stake it. Stake it is where you're going to get the money. You can start staking with any amount of money you want to start staking with, but remember, the more money you have to stake, the more money that you will get paid. All right, the team there's from Google, a Harvard professor, viral marketing expert, 15% of the treasury used for buybacks and marketing. Zero pre-minting is zero venture capitalists, zero insiders. And that's what they're talking about right there. All right, so let's try to purchase Jade. Let's come here and try to purchase it. So if we want to add the token to the wallet, right? So let's click here. And in the process of doing so, this action will edit tokens that are, because I already purchased the Jade. So I'm gonna cancel that right now because I already purchased Jade. But what I'm gonna do is saying, if you want to buy it, you can go over to Pancake Swap. Now you could purchase it a number of different ways. Now the wallet that's connected is actually my Metamask wallet, but you actually can purchase this using your Trust wallet. So, of course, you're going to import it. So what's reflected right here is the Binance, right? This Binance is what you need to have to Jade. So if you want to make that purchase, you come down and click max. And in the process of clicking max, it'll tell you how many Jades can you purchase in the process. Now, if you want to purchase this and connect it by using your MetaMask, you could place the Jade inside of your MetaMask. But when you initially sign up for MetaMask, you're going to realize that it's going to say Ethereum up top where it says BNB for me. Over here, I already have Jade in my wallet here, and I'm going to add more Jade to the wallet aspect. So let's come up here and let me show you how, if you needed to, like if you already went through the process of signing up for MetaMask, if you see Ethereum up at the top of your chart instead of Binance, then what you need to do is come down. You're gonna go down to settings, and then you're gonna come over to networks. Then you're gonna click on add a network, and I want you to take a screenshot of this. I'm not gonna go too fast. But in the network, I'm just going to read it off just in case the screen is too small. Make sure you click in Smart Chain. For the new RPC URL, make sure it's https bsc dataseed.binance.org. The chain ID, put down 56. The currency symbol, put down BNB. And the block explorer URL, even though it says optional, you probably want to plug it in as well. And that's bscscan.com. Okay. So that's how you're going to add the smart chain to your MetaMask. If I didn't add this to my MetaMask, then I wouldn't be able to have Jade in my MetaMask, right? It's already here. So if I want to stake, I can do that now, but I want to add a little more money before I actually do the protocol. I just did have the Jade in here just to show you how to go through the whole process. All right, now in the process, we're going to go back to Jade Protocol because now we at the staking process. And now that we in the protocol, the first thing it says is connect a wallet. So you want to connect your MetaMask wallet, but if you connect in your MetaMask wallet, you want to make sure that you have Jade in the wallet. You're going to have that Jade in the wallet. Now you can connect it your Trust wallet by clicking on here. You and then you will scan your So let's just click it. You'll scan your RQ code directly inside of your Trust wallet. But for me, what I did was I connected my MetaMask wallet to my Trust wallet. So when you come over here, and what's reflecting is what's inside of the because I created the second wallet inside of Trust wallet, and then I moved over my Jade in that second wallet because the second wallet is actually everything that's reflected inside of my MetaMask. Okay. And I can do a second video showing you how I did that. But let's come over here. Let's connect our wallet. We're going to connect it with our Trust wallet. Now that you are over here, you see that my wallet is now connected to the aspect. And let's come over here and let's click on, you're going to stake it. And then let's click on, it's not reflecting what's in my wallet for whatever reason, but that's fine. Then you're going to click on approve. All right, but see right here, and this is one reason why I need to add more money or I need to do the adjustments, because it say a fee associated with this request is 13 cents and it's inefficient funds. So I'm going to reject it. But that's the protocol of, no pun intended, that's the protocol of staking Jade Protocol in your MetaMask. And that's why I want to go and add more funds. But I just wanted to show you, is MetaMask a good place to be, or do you think that you want to stake your coins in another place? Now, when you look at the breakdown, 529,368,458%. The price of Jade is $4.16. So you want to go ahead and get into this early. When you see right here, it says my balance is 0.2156 Jade. Your stake balance is 0, net reward 0. So I need to add more money so I can go ahead and pay the fees so I can start staking my Jade. All right, so this is Antonio with Team Tiggio. I just want to show you how to get into the Jade Protocol if you choose to stake it. And do you feel like it's a rug pull? I want you to put that in the description below. But anyways, this is Antonio with Team Tiggio. Please like, comment, subscribe, as we'll be coming to you with more videos in the future. And once again, we will see you next time.